Yo, what's up? This is your boy Trey. I'm back with another video. Today we'll be unboxing the Shark Steam and Scrubs. It's a scrubbing and sanitizing steam mop. What else can I say? Let's get into it. So before this I had the Brava Jet. I didn't like how it just goes back and forth and just scrubs the floor. Well, I'll say sliding. So I'm hoping with this one, since it spins, I'm hoping for a better look on it. See, I got this from Amazon. All the neighborhood stores like Walmart and everything was sold out around us. So it was good that Amazon had it coming through. I'll see if I can put the link in the bio below. It's always funny when it's a box in a box to me. They're kind of heavy. A couple of books. Look very simple to put together. But, another book. This book, let's see, the box. This is the one I got. So you're supposed to rotate at 150 rotations per minute. Supposed to do all the surfaces, residue, grease and grime, bacteria with the steaming. So we're gonna see how it goes. This color I got right here is the cashmere one. This right here. What I got? Alright, so little handle on here. Came with 4 pads. The gray part is for the scrubbing. It feels a little rougher on there. It has little snap things on the bottom. Alright, so what we got over here? Big thing right here. You snap it too. Let's see if I can make one go on right now. Oh, it's Velcro too on here. So it sticks on easily like that. That's not bad. Oh yeah, that's easy to do. Now you can just snap it off, wash it. Yeah, that's cool. All right, let's see. In the front, pull this down. A little lower. So you put the water at inside. You have mode right here. You have light, normal. If you're doing a deep clean, kind of like it. Let's see. Let's put this on right here. Oh, that was easy too. Don't seem so bad. I like it. Let's see what else in here. More trash. More trash. More trash. Oh. This is great for pouring. I think this would be great for this part right here. Pour it right up in there. We're gonna have to test this out. Let's test this out. That's what we're gonna do. That's exactly what we're gonna do. But before we test it out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Also, I want to know what do y'all think I should buy next, or what have y'all been looking at that I might should try out. And maybe I don't want to spend the money on it yet because y'all ain't did enough research on it. I'll try it out. I got little lights in the front. That's kind of cool. All right, let's try this out. All right, time to make this work now. Let's go. So, reading into the instructions, it says you're supposed to put distilled water in there. Of course, I'm not doing that. So, we're gonna see what happens with tap water. One down. Got the other down. Make sure they're not touching, I guess. Whatever. We'll see how it goes. Alright. One thing I will say I like about this thing is that the thing actually stands up by itself without even holding it. I thought that was very cool. Sorry for the echo. Also, this right here, it fills up the whole thing. So this is about what fills up in this thing. I'm gonna top mine off a little bit more. I already filled mine up a little bit. All right, let's see what we can do. Oh, one more thing. I know you can't see yet, but this cord goes super long. So we're gonna start from one of my hallways to the end of the hallway, and we're gonna see how far it goes. I'm plugging it right now. Plug it right here. You're gonna see how loud it gets also. See, let me turn this on. Oh, there you go. You just hold down the button. So that's the light. That's the normal. And then this would be the deep. You know what I mean? I probably use deep all the time. Now steaming the floors. It's kind of cool. I know you can't see it right now, but right now, let me turn it around. Okay, now I'm off view. So that's on light right now. Oh, steaming up. It feels warm too. Alright, now we got the steam up. Like I said, I probably always do normal or more. I like the way it turns. Let's do it over here. It's actually, I feel like it's pushing itself. Pullback has a little pullback torque to it, but like going forward, it kind of like rolls itself by it turning. And you can see the steam coming up. I like that it goes across the side. Alright, let's see it turn around. Let's see if that gives a little clear. I don't know if you can see it, but the floors are like barely wet. Barely. Turn around. Maybe if I come in the light, we can see it a little better. Yeah, so you can see how wet it gets. Alright, one thing I will say I like about this that I don't like on other things, I don't like how the cords be so short. On here, I'm all the way at the end. Not saying I got a big house or nothing, but it's a long hallway that the cord reaches. I think that's very good. But I really like this so far. We're gonna see how long it lasts, see if I wanna change it. If you got a better mop or a scrubber or anything you think I should try that might be better, let me know. Any suggestions with this one, please leave it in the comment and we're gonna see what we can do. Thank y'all so much for watching. I guess I gotta go clean up now. Alright, see y'all later. Bye. Wait. Like and subscribe. Just hit that like button. Just hit it. Matter of fact, hit the subscribe button too. I barely drop videos. You won't even get bothered that much. Alright.